let me talk about what I really understand and know, which is the legal documents. So what are the 3 easy steps for you to get your legal documents in place so your affairs are in order? Number 1 is decide, make a decision. Number 2 is guide, get guidance. And number 3 is to act and to implement. Now, I told you I was going to try to make this as simple as possible. That sounds easy, doesn't it? Decide, get a guide, and act. So what's the big deal? What's the hurdle? Why is getting your affairs in order seems like it's difficult to do? Well, frankly, it's that first step. It's that number 1 step, which is make a decision. Make a decision to get your affairs in order. Well, why is that? Because you don't have to. There is nothing that compels you to make a decision to get the legal documents you need to get your affairs in order. And frankly, most of us will come back and say, and there's a lot of reasons I don't need to. For many people, they'll say, I'm young, I'm healthy, there's no reason for me to even be focusing in on end of life matters, on legal documents. I know we could all recall back to when we were younger and, absolutely no reason to think about it. But what I can say is, even when there is a lack of urgency, I think we will all recognize that no matter your age, accidents do happen. And as you get older, and as we all age, many of us experience that there is declining health. There may also be diagnoses, which are either terminal or debilitating. That's when the urgency starts pounding on your door a little bit more, when you say, you know what, it's time. Why I believe that so many people don't get their affairs in order is because they don't have to. And when I say so many people, I think statistically over 50% to 60% of Americans do not have any kind of legal documents in place. So again, as I mentioned, if you're listening to this, you are to be congratulated, because you are at least open-minded to the possibility that it might be a good idea.